Did you know that you can monetize your channel the very first day that you start it? In this video, I'm going to give you the blueprint for doing that. And no, I am not talking about YouTube ad revenue or waiting to get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time so that you can hopefully join the YouTube partner program. Yes, YouTube ad revenue can be great, but I just view it as an extra. I make 20 or 30,000 a month from YouTube ad revenue, but from the sources I'm about to share with you today and the ways of monetizing I'm about to show you today, we did $600,000 last month within my companies. I'm not saying this to brag whatsoever, but just to drive home a point that there's much better ways of monetizing your YouTube channel, which you are about to learn about right now. And the first fundamental thing that you need to know for monetizing your channel from the very beginning is to stop looking at YouTube like a movie theater and to start looking at YouTube like a classroom. The reason you're watching this video right now is because you want to learn how to monetize your channel from the first day you start it. And as entertaining as I am, I know you're not here for entertainment. You want to learn something. And if you want to monetize your channel from the first day you start it, you need to start treating your channel as a classroom and as a way of teaching something. You will never be able to monetize your channel from the first day if you're just trying to entertain people. If you want to do that method, be my guest, but it's going to take you many months of uploading videos with close to no results until finally one hopefully pops off, and then you can monetize via ad revenue, which you have no control over. YouTube has full control over all of that. You might get demonetized for a stupid reason you disagree with. And overall, I really do not like monetizing that way. And so the strategies I'm going to show you for monetizing today do not require massive views or a massive amount of subscribers. They don't require getting brand sponsors because that's next to impossible to do from the first day you start your channel. They don't require being part of the YouTube partner program. And they sure as heck don't require being completely dependent on AdSense. So you're going to want to make sure that your channel is in one of the niches that's showing up on the screen right now. These are all educational niches where you can teach something within them. And then you're going to want to choose a sub niche within one of these categories. So instead of just doing health as a broad category, choose just bodyweight workout tutorials. And channels like Captain Workout are a great example of this. It's a completely faceless AI channel, and they're monetizing in the way that I'm about to show you. So when you upload videos to YouTube, your YouTube channel is a collection of videos. And if you're doing a collection of videos that's teaching something, and I know what you're thinking, Matt, I'm not a world expert. How could I teach something if I just want to monetize my channel from the beginning? I got nothing to teach. I got no skills whatsoever. What should I possibly do? If that is the case, you need to think of yourself as an information DJ. You're going to take information that's already out there and remix it in new and interesting ways. And the best way of doing that is taking very valuable information from multiple of the top videos within your niche and then putting it together in a new way, by definition, making your video the most valuable. Now, of course, you can also implement all my best algorithm hacks and script hacks and everything else, or just use my AI tool TubeMagic, where you can put in context videos and it'll write it according to all those best practices for keeping people's attention throughout the entire video. But if a YouTube channel is simply a collection of videos, and if you can do that, which I'm very confident you can, then you can also make a collection of videos that you charge money for. So you want to choose the most specific sub niche you possibly can. Like, for example, bodyweight exercises for people over 50. Hyper specific. There's definitely an audience for it because there's videos on YouTube that have a lot of views related to that, and that would be a perfect topic. Then you're going to make a comprehensive guide for doing this. I would recommend anywhere from 20 to 30 videos at a very minimum, teaching that subject very in depth. Now, none of these videos are going to actually go onto YouTube. So you might be saying, Matt, I'm going to make 20 to 30 videos just for the heck of it. No, you're going to put those videos onto a platform. The platforms I recommend are either Kajabi or School. Now, there's pros and cons with each. I personally use Kajabi, and basically you can upload those all and you can create your own product on there that's going to teach that method in depth. If it's bodyweight exercises over 50, you could call it the Bodyweight Over 50 Mastery Guide. And then Kajabi allows you to set your price. So you're then going to price that anywhere from $100 to $1,000. Now, I know you might have limiting beliefs that you can't charge that much, especially when you're just starting. And if you don't have any skills, especially in the thing that you're teaching, you really shouldn't charge too much for it, so you can start closer to that $100 mark. But you are still going to be providing a lot of value because you'll research the best information that you can find out there on the internet and then give it to people in a very step-by-step chronological way in that collection of 20 to 30 videos. Now, where you would use School, for instance, and that's spelled with a K, by the way, instead of a CH, is where you would charge monthly monthly for your program. And then it also comes with a community. Now there's pros and cons with this. Typically, I would recommend the Kajabi route where you charge one time because you can collect more money up front. And say on school, if you're charging $10 a month for your community, but people only stay on average for 5 months, you're only making an average order value of $50 for average lifetime value of the customer. But if you sell on Kajabi and you charge $100, then you collect double that up front. Now, once you have this product and you have payment processing set up, which you can do directly within either of those platforms I mentioned, you just have to sign up with your information, then you are ready to monetize your channel from the first day you start it. And by the way, an alternative to this, if you're like, Matt, I literally have zero skills whatsoever, there's no way I could create a course or a program or something like that. If that's the case for you, then what I would recommend doing is considering promoting somebody else's program as an affiliate. So you can, for example, promote school programs, but you first have to be a member of that program, so you have to pay for it, and then you can promote it. Or you can search on ChatGPT to see the best affiliate programs for whatever your channel is about. For example, if you're running a channel similar to Feline Fanatics, which gets over 1 million views a month, uploading these very helpful educational videos for cat owners, then you could link to an affiliate program like this one called Happy Cats, where you can get a 30% commission for every single sale that you sell of their online courses, which basically teaches cat owners how to raise happy cats. And now that you have this link, you'll be ready to monetize your channel from the first day that you start it. Now, when it comes to adding links to your video descriptions from when you start the channel, you do have to have your channel verified. If you go into feature eligibility, it will either require you uploading your ID to YouTube, or it will require you to have some channel history. If you opt for the channel history route like I typically do, that's going to take anywhere from 15 days to a month of uploading consistently on your channel until you get that unlocked naturally, in which time you wouldn't be able to monetize from the first day. However, if you upload your ID, you can then potentially monetize from the first day, because then you can put links in your descriptions. But what if I were to tell you that I actually don't recommend putting links in the descriptions of your videos? To which you might be saying, okay, then how in the world am I going to sell what you're telling me to? Won't I have to have links in the description? No, you don't. In fact, there's a much better strategy that will actually help you grow like crazy on YouTube while being able to sell a lot easier. And I know that sounds crazy, but let me back it up. Basically, what you're going to do is create a content funnel. And a content funnel is simply a bunch of videos you upload to YouTube teaching very specific things. Like in the case of that cat channel, they have videos about things your cats hate or things your cats love or signs your cat is leading a happy life. These are very specific videos on specific topics. And you can go to channels like that if you're running a channel like that and recreate their videos in new and better ways. And these videos on these hyper-specific topics are considered the top of your content funnel. Think of your content funnel as an inverted pyramid, and those videos are the top of that pyramid. And your viewers will come into the top of that inverted pyramid through suggested videos, through search results. Search results, by the way, are one of the best ways of getting initial views when you're starting on YouTube, and through browse features. When they find your video, YouTube will give you impressions. They'll test your video out to very small audiences in the beginning. Make sure you're modeling thumbnails, you're modeling what works. You're doing all my best practices I give you here on the channel for making sure that your channel is as optimized as possible. Then what you're going to do is send those people to the next rung down on the pyramid, which is your money video. Your money video is a very long piece of content that's going to be the ultimate guide for whatever you're teaching on your channel. In the case of the cat owner channel, that would be how to raise a happy cat step-by-step full tutorial. This would be anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour long that gives a ton of value and is an incredibly valuable video. And yes, it's a little bit annoying to make this video, but you only have to do it once for the channel. You don't have to do this over and over. And it's the most important video that's going to go on your channel. And mine on this channel is literally just me going through a slideshow. So you can make a slideshow on something like gamma.app and then just record your screen with something like OBS going through the slideshow, teaching the things that you're teaching. And then at the end of that money video, you will go ahead and promote what you're promoting. Whether it's that cat course or something else, you will say, now, at this point, you have two options. You can either, number one, try to learn this all through trial and error, or take the information from this channel and try to implement it and not know if it's going to work or not. Or option number two, you can get a proven blueprint for doing this so you can start right now. That's one of the best ways of closing out that money video. And then you say, if you chose the second option, then check the link in the description. We can help you, as we have a training program that goes over exactly this called the Happy Cat Academy. People join that, you get your commission, people get help, and this money video will be the first video you upload on your channel. Does this mean that within the first day you start your channel, you'll automatically start just making some money magically? Obviously not. But what this does mean is that you set your channel up for the possibility of doing so. And then all your viewers will funnel through to that video via end screens from your videos, via links in the descriptions of all of those hyper-specific videos, and also via pinned comments on those videos. And they go through, watch the money video, maybe they buy, maybe they don't. At a very least, you're gonna get a ton of watch time by doing this. Not to mention a ton of session time, which is how long someone stays on YouTube after watching your content. This is one of my secrets for growing, by the way. So when YouTube then tests your content to small audiences, and then they see, wow, a lot of viewers are staying on YouTube and specifically on their channel as well, we're gonna push this out to a bigger audience. So this is gonna help your YouTube channel grow like crazy. Plus, it will convert the people who are the most primed to buy after they've already spent 30 minutes to an hour on YouTube with you. So they gave you your watch time already, so it's fine if they click an external link and you'll be able to make a bunch of money from your channel. But one of the most important things with implementing this system that I'm showing you right now is to make sure that the product you're promoting aligns with the content and the niche that you're doing. If you're doing a niche just on general entertainment travel videos, and then you promote a course about how to travel cheaply, yes, some people will go through and buy that course. In fact, you'll probably make more from that course than from just ad revenue alone. However, the conversion rate won't be the best doing it that way. If instead you ran a channel about travel tips and tricks for saving money and for how to travel correctly and how to travel on a budget, and then you promoted that, it's going to do a heck of a lot better. So it's a really good idea of making sure both the product you're promoting as well as your channel align. You're going to want just one main product to promote from your channel. It's fine to promote other ones as well, but they should only be complementary. They shouldn't be competitive with the main thing that you're selling from your channel. And for me, that's having a training program called Tube Accelerator, where people in that program get access to my personal content team. We can help them make videos. Plus, they get access to me personally to ask questions. And by the way, if you're interested in Tube Accelerator, you can check out the link in the description if you want to book a call and see if it's a good fit for you. But even though you know how to monetize your channel from the first day that you're starting it now, you still have to know how to get views, how to set up your channel correctly from the very first day, how to hire other people to make a lot of your videos for you if you want to go down that route. And you might benefit from seeing some more example niche channels that are actually doing this right now, and how I'm doing this on a bunch of faceless channels as well. So if you are at all interested in that, you can check out this video next to me right here, which is basically a completely free course. And I'll go over all of those things that I just said in this video right here. Basically a free course, super essential if you really want to monetize your channel quickly. Check it out. My name is Matt Parr. Hope you got value, and I will see you there.